Mrs. Dude, Mrs. Dude.
It's so wrong. Should be Ms. Dude.
No, Mrs. Dude.
It's sexist. Ah. We've done this one before, haven't we?
It looks really familiar, doesn't it?
Oh, it just reminds me of another one we did that started out the same. I guess you need to... Oh, no, that ain't gonna work.
Okay, you'll need to get off your button. That's very interesting.
I did that. Well, I can make a light bridge to go across. Stand on your button. Let me stand on the other.
Put a hole like here and bring me the cube.
Oh yeah. Doesn't it make more sense to have it on the other end?
No, because we got to manipulate the hole.
Yeah, but that means I got to be stuck standing on a light bridge the whole time.
Are you gonna come or?
Okay, sure.
I see. There's a problem.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. We need that cube to be here, not where it is now.
Well, what you should do is you should go through the red hole.
Yeah.
Grab the cube.
Yeah. I was just waiting for you to figure it out.
And go back through the red hole, yeah.
I'm stuck, though.
Oh, so you are.
Well, this sucks. Person dude. Oh, no, wait a minute. Why can't I just go through the fizzer?
Exactly.
The fizzer.
No.
Well, I don't know what the hell to do. Oh, there's a jumpy folly thing in here. You're gonna have to come in here too. Well, one of those things turned off that. There's a. Oh, wait a minute. There was a slanty panel there. Shit. I don't know what to do, man.
Replace the holes.
I think I'm too tired for this.
Okay, and then go stand over there.
Okay. But... Oh, you're going to make your own hole. Okay. No, you can't, because as soon as you start falling, you'll be going through a fizzer. Oh, the fizzer went off. Never mind. Never mind. He has a cube.
You just never mind.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we gotta just get over there, huh? Hmm.
Want to leave a hole there
Where?
in that room?
Okay.
Come through my light blue hole. Hmm.
Well, I don't think this turning off this death grid serves any purpose, does it?
You stand on this button.
I've already got a hole over there. If you want to get over there, we can just go through my hole.
Yeah, put a red hole here.
Here?
Yeah.
I'm glad you know what the hell you're doing, because I sure don't. Where'd we get another cube from?
Other one.
Oh, that other room over there. Okay, never mind. You can keep going through the fissure if you need to. Go through my hole.
Put a yellow hole here so I can get back.
Where here?
Yeah.
On the wall there.
Well, fuck.
I don't understand how we're supposed to get around that corner over there. Oh, wait a minute. Over here. Oh, you're okay. You're safe. You get on the main drag.
The main drag.
We gotta get our cubes though. But that's easy, right? Well, we were overthinking that one, weren't
Not at all.
we? Somewhere person dude is laughing his ass off.
I imagine it's England or the UK someplace.
What I meant is sometime he's laughing his ass off because he can't be doing it right now.
He could be dreaming of
Well,
Lewandowski and Gimme Danger playing levels. What a bunch of idiots.
They're gonna sit there and stare at this for about 10 minutes and go, don't.
Yeah. Well, I guess I have to give it a thumbs up.
You guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any comments for our intrepid author?
No, that we made that one harder than it needed to be, I think. But it was,
Our brains are hurting.
yeah, it's really late for me, and I didn't get enough sleep last night. That's my excuse.
All right. All right. Well, this is Ellen Esky
Hey, give me a danger yawning.
signing off.